Hello dear students, in this video we are going to learn how to compare fractions. We can compare fractions by various ways. In the first case, I am taking two like fractions. We all know like fractions have same denominator. So here I have taken two like fractions. While comparing like fractions, we have to see the numerator. The fraction with numerator greater, the fraction which has greater numerator will be the larger one. So here 11 is greater, so this fraction will be the larger one. In case 2, I am taking unlike fractions but with same numerator. Here I have taken 3 by 5 and 3 by 8. They are unlike but their numerators are same. While comparing such fractions, we have to look for the denominator. The fraction with the smaller denominator, will be the greater one. So here 5 has the smaller denominator, 3 by 5 has the smaller denominator. So this fraction will be the greater one. Now in case 3, we will compare such fractions in which neither the numerator are same, nor the denominator are same. Okay. So to compare such fractions, we have two methods. The first method is cross multiplication method, and the second method is by taking the LCM. So in this video, I am going to discuss about cross multiplication method. Let us take an example for the same from your book only. 7 by 3 and 5 by 2. So we have to compare these two fractions. Here neither the numerators are same nor the denominators are same. So what we have to do, as the name suggests, we have to cross multiply the numerator of the first fraction with the denominator of the second fraction. 7 multiply 2. The denominator of the first fraction with the numerator of the second fraction. 3 multiply 5. What is 7 twos are? 14. What is 3 fives are? 15. Now compare these two numbers, 14 and 15. 15 is greater. So the fraction just above 15 is 5 by 2. So 7 by 3 will be the smaller and 5 by 2 will be the greater. Just try to arrange them in this type of column only, so that it will help you to get the greater one. In question 1, you have to compare them with the help of cross multiplication only. Here A, B part will be the homework part. C, D, E, F you have to do in the classwork. I am going to discuss one more part with you. See, I am discussing D part with you. 4 by 9 and 5 by 18. You will list out 4 by 9 and 5 by 18. Cross multiply 4 with 18, 9 with 45. 4 multiply 18, 9 multiply 5. 18 4s is 72, 9 5s is 45. Which one is greater? 72 is greater. Okay. So 72 is greater. This means the fraction above 72 is 4 by 9. So 4 by 9 is greater than 5 by 18. Here we are multiplying numerator with denominator and denominator with numerator. We are forming a cross. So we call this method cross multiplication method. You have to do question 1 with this method. We can only compare two fractions with the help of cross multiplication. To compare more than two fractions, we have to use the other method, which we will discuss in the other video. Thank you so much.